So this video is about fixing a motor mount in on the engine of a Newport 30. My Newport 30 sailboat was repowered with this Westerbeek Universal M320B, and the original motor mounts, which were actually glassed into those fiberglass stringers, were used to attach some pieces of iron stock that you can see there below the engine. And what happened was that the original motor mounts, one of the original motor mounts broke, and so the iron stock was not properly fastened down. The repair was fairly simple, but I thought I would make a video and show you how I did it. So the object of the game is to deal with this mount under here. If you look at it carefully, you might notice that there's some delamination where the gel coat on the surface of the stringer is not flat. It's kind of come up. And so I've partially removed the bolt. And what that is it's that bolt there that has no nut on the top that's kind of coming down out of the hole in the iron stock. So I'm trying to remove that. So what I did was I used this cheap multi-tool and went in here and cut away some of the fiberglass backing. And so in there, it's probably too dark to see just now, but in there is the head of that bolt. And so I'm just going to keep cutting away a little bit and finally get the head of that bolt out. So when this bolt was installed, these two little bits of metal were welded to the bolt. You can see the places where it was welded there, and they were broken off. And so then, of course, the vibration of the engine broke through the or like broke the lamination in the stringer, and that's what loosened this off and made it start vibrating. There you go. So yeah, I'm just going to probably end up backing this with some stainless steel plating, putting a new bolt in, and bring it back to essentially it's at least bring the engine mounts back to good condition. I didn't get a picture of the finished product, but I did end up doing what I said I would do. I simply backed a new bolt of the same size with some stainless steel plates underneath these stringers, and the engine mount is as good as new. Anyway, good luck on your boat repairs, and thanks for watching.